Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to download simple ground equipment and services for Explain12. First, you need to go to Google and you need to write this into your Google, or I'm going to put the link down below description. And then you are going to click the link and come to this site. And then you are going to continue to download this file. You are going to continue again by download button in here, and then you are gonna continue again, and you are gonna download the file into your computer. After you download the file into your computer, you are gonna open your file, and then you are gonna go to scripts, and simply you will just copy this in here. After you copy this, you are gonna go to your Explain12 main folder, and then you are gonna continue to resources, plugins, Flywheel, and scripts, and you just need to paste them into your old simple ground equipment and services, or you just paste this into here like this. After the pasting the file is completed, our next step is opening the simulator. After opening the simulator, you can't find the simple ground and equipment services plugin things in here in your settings, because some plugins are visible while you are in the game. So you are gonna spawn at some random airport. Okay, so now we are in our 737. First thing I'm gonna do is to click the settings, and then as you can see, there's our simple ground equipment and services. I'm gonna click here, and then window, and then I'm gonna put the key into here, the key I want into here. After I do that, we are gonna see this ground services window in your screen, and now you can use it as much as you can. But as you can see, I did enable a GPU, and it's not getting blue light in our airplane, because this airplane has its own GPU. As you can see, it's just visual. And if I know right, if you want to see the passengers boarding into your plane by bus, you need to disable this built-in ground services. You need to disable it for passengers to board your plane. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see. Let me open my door. Okay. Loaders are enabled, as you can see, and then I'm gonna use stair 1. And people, and the people option it's gonna give you like these guys that's around the plane, like realistic ground service thing. As you can see, or I don't know if it's captain or first officer, but I think it's a captain, and he's doing walk around, and I think it's giving a little bit more realistic immersion to your simulator. And then we have cleaning van, fuel, and then more stairs, bus, catering, And you have army and military options, and arrestor, and marshal, follow me. I don't really know what EMC means, and there's shipwreck and fire. And look, here's our passengers are boarding our plane. For freeware thing, I think that's amazing. And you have sequence option. It's like automatic thing. It's gonna put cargo, I mean, sorry, loaders, and then cleaning one, and then bus, like in the sequence. But I like to do it manually, so I will have more freedom over my boarding things, or like plane anyway. So that's it, okay.